Welcome to KSRS Academy. And now let's get into the daily news headline analysis of 26th October 2021. CO2 emissions in 2020 above decadal average. So World Meteorological Department, and it is a intergovernmental organization. And United Nations Economic and Social Council, the parent organization. 1951లో వరల్డ్ మెట్రలాజికల్ ఆర్గనైజేషన్ అనేది యుఎన్ కింద స్పెషలైజ్డ్ ఏజెన్సీ అయింది అండ్ ఇది ఒక యాన్యువల్ రిపోర్ట్ రిలీజ్ చేస్తుంది which concentrates on global, local and international, global, local and national temperatures and extreme weather events. So pandemic వల్ల fossil fuel CO2 emissions లో 5.6% drop ఉన్నా కూడా CO2 emissions అనేవి are higher than average annual growth rate, and methane kuda it's higher than 2018 to 2019 levels and also higher than the average annual growth rate over the past decade. And for nitrous oxide, the increase was higher also than the average annual growth rate over the past 10 years. The National Oceanic and Atmospheric Administration Annual Greenhouse Gas Index in it shows that 1990 to 2020 radioactive forcing by long-lived greenhouse gases increased by 47%. So radioactive forcing ante atmosphere energy flux lo changes vastayi due to the factors of climate change, and the 47 increase ki CO2 80% contribute chesindi. And concentration of carbon dioxide, the most significant greenhouse gas, reached 413.2 parts per million in 2020 and is 1.9% in the pre-industrial level. Methane is 262% and nitrous oxide is 123%. So roughly half of the CO2 emitted by human activities today remains in the atmosphere. So half of the carbon emissions in the atmosphere and the other half oceans ఇంకా land ecosystems absorb చేసుకున్నాయి. And the report also flags concern that the ability of land ecosystems and oceans to act as sinks may become less effective in future, thus reducing their ability to absorb CO2 and act as a buffer against larger temperature increase. Afghans facing an acute food crisis, says United Nations. So United Nations is an international organization and 193 member states in it, and it is found in the year 1945, and it works for global welfare and upholds international law. And so on. So Afghanistan is on the brink of one of the world's worst humanitarian crisis. And half of the country acute food shortages they faced as many UN agencies warned, say. Over 22 million Afghans will suffer food insecurity this winter, they said, as the drought driven by climate change adds to their risk. So winter 22 million Afghans food insecurity faced UN agencies warned చేస్తున్నాయి. Sudan's military seizes power in Cope. So Sudan lo government military seize lo undi ippudu, and the government was dissolved and prime minister arrest chesaru. Thousands of people flooded into the streets to protest the coup that threatens the country's shaky progress towards democracy. Thank you.